Buckshot, what you even calling me for, baby? You already know what to do. This ain't your first time at the rodeo. You go in there, you say, I'm sorry, I was immature. Let the waterworks go. Let the waterworks go. Dry it up with the do-rag, and you good. They love you again. All right, I got you back. Look, I'm going to call you back. This is Will from South Philly, and I want to be a host on 97.5 The Fanatic. You know, I was going for mayor, but they said I wasn't qualified. They really knew I have too much of a stranglehold on the whole sports scene because I'm going in there. Ruben, what's up, baby? What's up with a bat? No bat? Cool. Home run derby right now. Seventh and bigger. Let's go. Keep your suit on. And we going down there. You know, hey, Rod, can I get a trade? No trade? Shoot for it. Right now, shoot for it. Who stays, who goes, it doesn't matter. That's taking it back to the essence. Hey, Andy, Big Red, come here. We seen the punt, pass, and kick. We won't even talk about that. You don't want to do that again. You do? Cool, let's go. Got the best foot in the city, and it's pretty. Laviolette. Laviolette's tough. You're doing a good job, Laviolette. Let me talk to that goalie, get him in the room. I get the deal done tonight for you. From me to you, I get it done tonight. I'm from South Philly. That's what we do. We get things done. We have a way of handling it. You know, so if you want to get that O'Brien, that Commissioner's Trophy, that Stanley Cup, that Lombardi, vote Will from South Philly.